So over the last couple of videos, we showed you some of the best ski resorts in Japan, as well as the most convenient ski resort from Tokyo. But in this video, we're gonna show you the largest ski resort in Japan, which is Shiga Kogen. So let's get going. To get here, first take about a 90-minute train ride to Nagano station, and then once you're here, you gotta catch another bus to get to the resort. Okay, after a 90-minute bus ride, finally arrived. This is super cool. This is our hotel right behind me, and right over here is the base of the ski lifts. I think I'll probably need to get new boots soon, huh? Hope they'll last for today. All right, so we're now changed and ready to go. Time to hit the gondola for the first run of this trip. It's a beautiful day today, so really excited for an awesome day of snowboarding with awesome views here. Time to get going. To be honest, I have no idea where we're going. Just follow my buddy over here, and I'm sure I'll have a great time. So what's really interesting about Shiga Kogen is it's really wide, and so you can ski and snowboard across all the areas with the exception of one area, which is the Kumano-yu area. And at the base of each of the areas and base of all the lifts are hotels and restaurants. And so when you get to the bottom, there's plenty of restaurants and hotels that you can enjoy and relax at. And if you get stuck, there's also a shuttle bus that connects and runs along the whole valley. And so you can definitely take the shuttle bus to get back to where you're staying or back to where you started. Hey, so we made it to Okushiga, which is one of the far ends of this resort. If you're into backcountry skiing, definitely check this place out because it's the only place in the entire resort that actually has backcountry skiing. All right, just finished snowboarding for the day. I feel like we've only explored about half of the mountain, which shows actually how large this whole place is. Time for my favorite part, which is a nice warm bath, and then time to grab some dinner at our hotel. Hot bath time. And all done. Since we're staying at a hotel that's within the resort, there's not actually any restaurants nearby, and so we're getting dinner tonight within the hotel, and I believe it's a very tasty washoku meal, and I can smell it already, and I'm so hungry, so I can't wait to go check it out. Good morning. Time for some breakfast, also courtesy of this hotel. One thing to point out about the Shiga Kogen Resort is it's actually comprised of multiple areas. For example, the Ichinose area or the Yakebita area. And so right now we're headed over to the Kumano-yu area, which is the only area that's actually separated from the other areas. And so we'll need to take a quick shuttle bus to get over there. Oh no, the bus is leaving. Wait. Oh my God. Just had to run to catch the bus and we barely made it as it was pulling out. But headed our way to Kumano-yu now. So there's a free shuttle bus that runs between all the different areas in this resort. But from our understanding, the shuttle bus isn't super frequent. So if we miss this bus, I think we would have to have waited about an hour or so for the next bus. Okay. Wow, that was a lot further than we expected. It took about over 20 minutes to get here. Whew. But time to get riding. So this resort has the highest peak in all of Japan, but unfortunately they're still setting it up, so we can't get there right now. This lift is called Giant. Ooh, exciting. So what makes Shiga Kogen so large is it spans across all these different areas and across many different mountains. And it has a total of over 50 different ski lifts and over 80 kilometers of ski runs. You can see why it's just so large. Oh my god, we're going through a tunnel! Woo! Final run of the trip. Final run for these boots, probably. I think I'm gonna have to buy a new pair of shoes for next season. At least they lasted a couple days. We had a lot of fun exploring all the different runs this resort has to offer, and I actually wish we had more time because there's just so much more we didn't have a chance to explore yet. They also have their own craft beer, so make sure to check this out as well. Bye-bye to Shiga Kogen. We need to take the gondola to get out of the valley. I think overall the quality of the snow was pretty good and actually exceeded my expectations. We had a little bit of snow at night and during the day, and so I was pretty happy with the snow quality across all the runs. There's plenty of awesome powder runs. There's plenty of other groom runs. The one thing, as I probably pointed out many times about Shiga Kogen, is it is absolutely massive. So we spent 2 days here, and I don't think we even explored 3/4 of the entire resort. So if you do come here, either plan to stay much longer, or you can just explore one of the areas, because each area in itself has plenty to explore, and you can just spend 1 day at one of the areas and still have a great time. Oh, and also, Shiga Kogen is also super close to the monkeys, which I visited earlier this year. So if you do come here, the monkeys are a great alternative to visit for a nice break. And so that's it from Shiga Kogen, the largest ski resort in all of Japan. Hope you guys enjoy this, and we'll see you guys in the next one.